Damn, bro. Shit. So mainit ang bali-balita at actually confirmed na to that Nats will be out indefinitely mula sa kupunan ng RSG Philippines. What does that mean? Parte pa rin ba siya ng team? Yes. Maglalaro ba siya? No. Kailan ba siya maglalaro? Hindi pa natin alam kung kailan. So I think one of the reasons for this is because baka hindi pa tapos yung contract niya, baka babalik din naman siya. For everybody's context, Nats is gonna be flying to the US due to personal reasons. Like, kasama niya yung family niya, kasama niya yung mga magulang niya na lilipad ng US. So, baka may business sila doon na kailangan nilang gawin that's gonna take some time or something like that, diba? And kailangan nilang gawin yun ngayon. So, wala siyang choice. Kailangan kasama talaga siya. And parang niluto na talaga nila to for the longest time. Kasi last season, ganito rin yung nangyari. Sinibor din yung kanilang sixth man at wala talaga silang dinagdag. So, I guess they really were preparing Nibor for this moment. Kasi anytime baka pwedeng umalis si Nats. And